You've seen the posts. Manifest your dream life. Attract wealth with a sigil. Hack the universe to get what you want. But magic, real magic, was never about getting. It was never about making the world conform to your ego's craving. That's not manifestation. That's spiritualized consumerism. And like all consumerism, it has a hidden price. Your freedom, your flow, yourself. Chaos magic is not about summoning a new car or gamifying your way to internet fame. It's about reprogramming your reality, not to win the game, but to leave the game entirely. Chaos isn't randomness. Chaos is adaptability. Chaos is life's creative impulse, the wild branching of rivers, trees, galaxies. Chaos is flow, and magic is how you learn to move with it. At the heart of chaos, magic is the void, the infinite well beneath identity, belief, and fear. Some call it the Kia, the primal self. It cannot be owned. It cannot be monetized. It flows. And when you stop chasing external validation, when you stop performing for systems that feed on your attention, you return to it. You become your own signal again, not someone else's noise. Success is not wealth, it's expression. It's the dam breaking. Flow is how power returns to the body. Flow is how healing begins. The more you seek riches, the more you are damned. The more you crave fame, the more your light is diffused. But the more you flow, the more you create, connect, share, express, the more real your power becomes. So how do we restore flow to ourselves and to the world? 1. Shadow work. Begin where the flow was first dammed. Look at the parts of you you've been taught to fear, ignore, or reject. These are not your enemies. They are exiled power. Journaling, dream analysis, dialogue with the self. Ask, what am I hiding? What am I avoiding? Whose voice is this? You don't have to fix the shadow. You only need to listen. That's where integration begins. And integration is healing. 2. Gnosis and trance states. Flow returns in presence, when the mind stops trying to control the river. Enter states of gnosis through breathwork, chanting, movement, or silence. Not to escape the world, but to return to it more completely. In gnosis, the false voices fall away. Your signal comes through. You remember who you are and who you are not. 3. Reprogramming. Belief systems. Magic isn't superstition. It's neuroplasticity with a wand. Every belief you hold is a spell you've cast on yourself. Ask yourself, who taught me what success means? Who profits when I feel small, poor, or broken? Break those spells. Rebuild new ones. Every sigil, mantra, affirmation, and ritual is a way to rewrite your operating system. Make it one that lets energy flow again. 4. Restore flow in the world. Flow isn't just internal. It wants to ripple out, connect, collaborate, create. Help your community. Redistribute what you can. Make art. Share food. Listen deeply. Don't wait for some system to approve your worth. You are the system now. Build one that flows. These are not just spiritual hacks. These are acts of rebellion. Every time you restore flow where there was once scarcity, you're undermining the machinery of deprivation. You are not a consumer. You are a current. You are not broken. You are the breaker of dams. The spell begins when you say, I allow myself to flow again. The greatest spell you can cast is to untether yourself from everything that tells you you are not enough. You are not here to attract a lifestyle. You are here to become the storm that flows through this world, restoring connection, igniting possibility, and dissolving every stagnant lie we were told to believe. Magic won't make you rich, but it will set you free.